Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. For a tech, the important question is whether it solves a real, everyday problem without adding hassle. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it, full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video. One extra thing I would compare is whether the exact model and size match what you actually need.